One evening, Thomas and the pack were on a night shift. They were preparing Errol's Bridge Road. It has to be set by next month. On the workman's coffee break, the team decided to take a break too. Whenever that owl hoots, a mist rolls in, murmured Thomas. That's right, agreed Butch. There's a legend that when there's a mist about, there's a ghost about too. What ghost? Cried Alfie. Rubbish, said Max. It's just a story, said Monty. Oh, be quiet, snapped Jack. And then Butch began the tale. There's a dog called Buck. He's a German Shepherd dog. He was moved to Alaska, where they had to do some sledding. He was completely removed from Alaska, which is when he left the human world and heard about the dog wild. They say that every night he would howl, and his howl could be heard for miles around. No one had ever heard from Buck, because it might be assumed that he died. Stuff and nonsense, said Max. There is no such thing. Yeah, said Monty. Ghost dogs don't exist. They're just an silly excuse if you ask me. Break's over, said Butch. Back to work. Jack and Alfie were late. They were working with Thomas. Thomas liked the clever way they were working and enjoyed their fun. But what they didn't seem to realize, that Max and Monty were watching them. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Said Max. I think I am, Max, said Monty. And then they charged forward. It's the ghost dog, they both said. Woo! Stop that, boomed Jack. Why don't you pick on someone your own size? Give Alfie a break, agreed Thomas. But Max and Monty just laughed rudely. Late into the night, Max and Monty had started to calm down. Take the load to the dump, said the foreman. And I need you two to be careful, because it's very dark out. Yes, sir, said Max and Monty, and off the two went. When they moved into the forest, it seemed very, very dark. The mist was floating everywhere. Max and Monty started to feel scared. What was that? Asked Max. It was an owl, said Monty. I think. And that? Asked Max. I really don't know, said Monty. They couldn't have known that there was a frog. Soon they arrived at the dump, and they dumped their loads into the pile. Let's go back to the site, said Max. This place is starting to give me the creeps. Me too, said Monty. Then they heard an awful howling noise. What was that? Said Max. I don't know, said Monty. Then they saw a scary black shape moving right towards them. It's the ghost dog! Cried Max. Let's get out of here! Cried Monty. They revved their engines so fast, they were going at top speed. It's the ghost dog! Cried Max. There is no ghost dog, said Butch. It's just a story, said Alfie. Wait, so there is no ghost about? Of course not, said Butch. It was just made up. So, you were just fighting over nothing? Asked Max. Exactly, said Thomas. Then Max and Monty had a good laugh.